a great choice today with the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, security system, fog lights, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.